Okay, now to check if a point is inside, on or outside a circle, if you follow the following method, you'll be very safe and everything will work out well for you. So the first step is to sub a point into the equation of the circle for x and y. The second step is to compare the right hand side to the left hand side when you work it out, and then you can make a conclusion based on the following. If the left hand side turns out to be greater than the right hand side, this means that the point will be outside the circle. If the left hand side turns out to be exactly equal to the right hand side, this means that the point must be exactly on the circle. And finally, if the left hand side turns out to be less in value to the right hand side, this must mean that the point is inside the circle. So if we have a look here at Peter says that the point 2, 7, so this is x and this is y, lies on the circle x minus 3 to be squared plus y minus 2 to be squared equals 34, and we want to find out is he correct. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go straight for step 1 as above. We're going to sub in x to be 2 and y to be 7 into this equation here. And we're going to investigate then what do we get when we work it out. So what that looks like then is we have 2 minus 3 to be squared plus 7 minus 2 to be squared equals 34. Now mind your square in here. This works out to be plus 1 if you want to do it in your calculator, and this works out to be 25. And over here we have 34, which gives us 26 and 34. So you must make a conclusion here. Now, what I'd be saying here now is this equal to 34? Is this here equal to 34? Here we should be able to conclude that the left hand side, which is this side, is less in value to the right hand side. So we have LHS less than RHS. And from our point above here, we can see that when left hand side is less than the right hand side, this means that the point is inside the circle. So Peter in this case is incorrect. And make sure to mention that in your conclusion. Write it down on your paper. Peter is incorrect. Okay, we look at example 2. Is the point 3, 1 inside, on or outside this circle? So again, this 3 is x and 1 is y. So by substituting directly into this equation, we could say that this is 3 squared and this is 1 squared. So we're trying to investigate, is this equal to 10? So we get 9 plus 1 equal 10. So 10 is equal to 10. So we can see exactly that this is correct. What that means for us is that the left hand side this time is exactly equal to the right hand side. And if we go back up and refer to our notes at the start here, when the left hand side is exactly equal to the right hand side, we can conclude that the point is on the circle. So we'll make that conclusion. Therefore, 3, 1 is on the circle x squared plus y squared equals 10. Now if we move on to example 3, what we're being asked here is this point 6, 0 inside, on or outside this circle? So straight away we should be able to spot out that x is 6 and y is 0. And let's do a direct substitution here. X is 6 and y is 0. So what we're trying to do here now is we're trying to see, is this actually equal to 36? And we'll establish what's happening. So when we work this out in our calculator, we get 0 plus 49. Now, is 49 equal to 36? We'd have to say no. 49 is actually much greater than 36. So in this question, we can see that the left hand side is clearly greater in value than to the right hand side. So therefore, using our notes, the point 6, 0 is, let's go back up and check, left hand side greater than the right hand side, So we can see that the point 6, 0 in this case must be outside the circle. So make sure to make your conclusion. Don't rush your conclusion. Don't just write down outside or something like that. Show all your work.